Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this series, we're going to learn how to ask and answer some common questions in English. It's really easy and it's only take 3 minutes. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to ask what someone's hobbies are without using the word hobby. You've probably seen the question, do you have any hobbies? Or what are your hobbies? However, native English speakers never use the word hobbies when asking about them. A much more natural way to ask the same question is, what do you do for fun? Let's practice this question. What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? Or what do you do in your free time? Or what do you do in your free time? So how would you answer this question? Let's look at how native speakers would do it. I like to, or just I like. For example, if you like watching movies, you can say, I like to watch movies, or I like watching movies. I like to watch movies, and I like watching movies. And if you like golf, you could say, I like to play golf, or I like playing golf. I like to play golf. I like playing golf. You can emphasize how much you like your hobbies. For example, I really like watching movies. I really like watching movies. On the other hand, if you want to play down how much you like something, you can say kind of. I like kind of playing tennis. I like kind of playing tennis. Now it's time for my advice. So if you don't have any special hobbies or you don't want to be specific, a good way to reply is, I like hanging out with my friends and stuff like that. I like hanging out with my friends and stuff like that. Just use I like and then add and stuff like that. So that's all for today. If you like my videos, then quickly press the subscribe button to never miss an update. And if you wanted me to keep making these kind of videos on 3-minute English lessons, so don't forget to like and share my YouTube channel. We will meet in the next video. So friends, we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care everybody and have a good day.